napahinto tayo sa ating pagbabike. Do hindi pa naman tayo malayo mula sa bahay, bagong larga lang tayo. Since nadaanan namin itong mga goose. How do I say?
Don't go too close.
Quack, 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 quack. They will run after me. Where are you going? You can stay here. Oh. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Cook, 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 cook. Goose, 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 goose. 2, 4, 6. Where is the other one? You are 7. Look for your other partner. Yeah, we go. And I step on the... They are the reason why we stop. Oh, and now they are 7. Bye for now, gooses. Oh, napakaraming sasakyan, guys. Galing sa tabing dagat. So, nandito tayo sa tunnel. Dito dumadaan ang mga bike o kaya scooters. Hindi pwedeng gumamit doon sa stoplight. One time kapag nagmamadali ako, gusto kong mag-shortcut doon sa stoplight, pero sabi ni asawa, wag na wag mong gagawin, delikado. So yun, hindi natin gagawin. Dapat sumunod tayo sa tamang daan para sa mga bisikleta at saka mga scooters. Skanya! Kapag may nakikita ako na Scania na mga big trucks, naaalala ko ang Pilipinas. Scania kasi yung mga makina or bus ng Florida papunta sa Santa Ana at ibang parte ng Pilipinas from Manila. So shout out Florida, baka naman manood kayo ng aking video. Scania is Florida. Ang sarap magbike. Wow, it's yellow flowers, very nice. Yeah. Is it better? The weather is better today. It's not so hot like yesterday. Yeah, guys. It's the first day of whole day sun, but it's too hot. Yeah. Pumunta kami ng dagat. sobrang mainit. But on the sea, it's a little bit colder than here on the land, on the dito sa patag. Yeah. It's normal. We are in nature. We bike for nature. So dahil nga nandito tayo sa farm, siyempre dito sa farm ang mga alaga ng mga Belgian ay baka, baboy, kabayo, at saka meron din goat, meron ding sheep. Yan na, nakikita nyo na ba yung mga kabayo, those horses? Brown, almost black and brown, white. Yeah. These big trees, because they are too old. Oh, they are drinking. Oh, ang daming kabayo sa ano guys, sa kaliwa. O dito naman mga goat. A goat ba ito? Mga sheep. Ito. Diyan. Yan, kulungan nila yan. So ngayong summer, dito na sila sa labas talaga naka-stay mga kanilang mga animals. Dito naman sa kanan ulit, mga baka yan guys, oh. Yan, mga baka. Ano to, mga milking cows. Dahil ang lalaki at tataba ng mga dede nila. Ganyan pag milking cows. Makina ang taga-supsup ng kanilang mga gatas araw-araw. Ewan ko, basta may time. So medyo madumi ang ating bike road ngayon, o kaya hindi naman bike road totally, hindi lang bike, farm road. Ganito kaganda ang farm road nila. So kapag farm road ay pinaka-bike road na rin ng mga tao. Yan. So madumi, yan, maraming mga ano ba yan, lupa dito sa kalsada dahil kapag nagtatrabaho sila, yung mga traktor, iba't ibang klase ng traktor kasi ang ginagamit. Oh, daming nagbabike guys. Maganda kasi ang araw. Yan, biking, oh, bibilis. Ayun, pupunta raw kami sa kanan. Hindi ako masyadong magaling ako mag-drive sa kanan bigla, kaliwa bigla. Ay, kaliwa mas okay ako kumabig sa kaliwa. Pero sa kanan medyo nahihirapan ako. Kaya medyo nagpepreno ako kapag kumakanan ako. Ayan, nakatanim na sila ng patatas dyan. So ngayon, itong kanan natin. Dito sa kaliwa pala, kaliwa ay bagong ani ang damo. Inani na nila. Ayun, tinutuyo. Dahil maganda ang araw. This week, sabi ng weather, maganda ang araw. Kaya, ayun, yung mga grasses na pwede nang anihin, kinakat na nila para matuyo. And then, ipapak. Tapos, i-embak sa kamarin for future use ng kanilang mga baka, mga animals. Baka, kabayo. Maraming animals dito guys. Kaya minsan gaya nito, may banda na gaya nito na mahangin. Medyo maaamoy mo yung mga amoy ng guys, ang ganda ng bakuran nila. Oh, yellow, mga buhangin. Oh, habulin natin si kuya. Madaldal ako. So, yan, ang ganda ng yellow flowers. Oh, nakakaaliw pag dumadaan ka, guys. Ang ganda. Oh. Yeah, ingat tayo. Ingat tayo. Pad. Oh, narinig ako ng aso. Pad. Again, yapat. Oh, kakanan daw kami. So, dadaan tayo dito sa maliit na bridge. Tawirin natin tong ito. Yo. It's a canal, but oh, the bridge is already okay. Sorry, that's the main road. Yeah. I was surprised.
A
It's
big mistake.
yeah. I mistake. That was the bridge from Holland. I was thinking it's the bridge where I going to Saint Lawrence. I'm wrong. I never see a Norwegian flag. You make bell when we pass by under the bridge.
Yeah.
It's better to make bell. Maraming nagbablog. We are under the bridge. Dam. Oh, ang ganda ng ating biking area. Ang ganda ng ating biking area.
Maybe tomorrow, the weather is good. We go to Crocodile Beach where we were before last year.
With Evie? Or only us?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think us.
Because they went today. Yeah,
They were there today. I didn't
Yeah,
hear them.
Sometimes when it is a little bit windy, it's good. Especially when it's now like this hour, there's no much flies. Yeah? Yeah.
There are
When there is no wind, many flies and they go to the ice. Yeah? I need to adjust my mirror so I can see my back all the time.
why it takes so long for that bridge?
So now this is the bridge that I am telling.
This is Belgium, you know.
I was wrong with the first bridge.
Holland, you would be already
Oh.
already driving over a new bridge. Here it takes 8.
Maybe your feet is a little bit.
What?
Is it you
What's
scratch?
wrong with my feet?
You scratch it.
Red.
I saw some red.
Red.
It's like a blood. Be careful.
Here.
Yeah.
So what? Will I die?
No.
No. So many people have scratches everywhere.
Hindi sila maarte, guys. Mga Belgian. Totoo sila. Kahit mayayaman sila, pag pumunta sila sa farm, talagang magpuputik sila. Oh, they really close it to make it secret, and when they open, it's ready to use. That is the bridge for May. But for me, the bridge, the way that I'm using now, it's more easier because it's all straight. You go straight, and then you turn right, and it's straight again. The water of the canal is low.
Yeah. It was much higher.
Yeah, normally it was.
1 meter higher it was.
Uh-huh.
Almost. 1 meter. Tomorrow I need to shade again. Every 3-4 days. I hate it. What can I do?
I can see the flies, but they cannot fly against the wind. Remember when we heard the rain, the night was so mercilessly.
I like to ring my bell.
Yeah? You can ring your bell. Ring your bell. Yeah. There are birds on the lake. Yeah. 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 This time all mais over there. All mais. Oh, very white mais. On that side. He's waiting us. Oh, don't fly. We give you food.
I don't have food.
Quick, quick. There's a bike. Lagi tayong tumatabi pag may bike. Mabibilis sila dito. Yan, ang bilis ni Kuya. Yeah. He's waiting for our food. I give you food. Yeah,
You know what is hay?
yeah,
It's really dried grass.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe it was harvested yesterday.
Mother?
Maybe it was harvested yesterday, so it was dry yesterday and today.
No. They know it will be more than 1 week.
Ah, okay.
So they leave it for hay.
Uh-huh.
If it's not so long hot, they make it for grass.
Uh-huh, okay. Oh, the cows are there already.
Young cows.
Yeah. Yeah. Young but fat. They are Parada Batu. No, you are in Maldagum. You are not in Parada Batu. When they ask you, where are you going?
What do you mean?
In the Philippines, where are,
Parada Batu.
and they ask, where is Parada Batu?
Santa Ana.
Another?
I don't know.
Parada Batu. Look at the grasses that were harvested.
Then they will
Ah, and they make,
in bowls.
yeah.
300 kilos.
Ah, there is a specific kilo when they pack it. Ganyan sila. Kasta nga inumbong da guys, oh, nga inani di makina. Tapos, ibilagda. Yan, idodry yan ng ewan ko kung ilang araw. Kapag dry na, ipapak na nila. Machine ang naggapas, machine pa rin ang magpack. Machine pa rin ang mag-uuwi sa kamarin. Dito wala kang makikita na mga tao na nagtatrabaho sa lupain, traktor. Yung driver lang ang nakikita mo na tao. So ayun, oh, very nice grasses. May makakasalubong tayo. Kaparehas natin ng mga adults. Parada Batu, Santa Ana, Cagayan. No,
They will receive me with the man will wait when I'm there. He will say you're welcome.
they will welcome you with how many salute?
Barbecue.
With barbecue. Yeah, fish barbecue, why not? They will say, "Oh, we will show this man how much fish we have in Santa Ana." When you say Parada Batu, when you are in Manila, they will not know you.
Of course.
When you say Santa Ana, when you say in Manila, not all know you. But when you say Santa Ana, Cagayan, they will know you. Karani scooter. Wow, inaawitan tayo ng mga ibon. Ibon. Do we cross? Yapad. 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 Look how he ran. He is picking something. Yeah. He's hungry. It's a lady who is alone. Hindi pala lady. Kaparehas natin na adult. There's a big bird, look.
Where?
Here.
Where?
Here, you.
That's not a big
Duck. Ah, it's a duck. The color of the head is nice. Ah, uh-huh. Yeah, you can see the mark from the water. Maybe it's a big fish, unsalted fish. Family biking. Here the roots are big. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 bating ting. We are closing to the bridge. Six kilometers away, Iklo. 6. Diraran, 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 diraran. Akala ko dediretso tayo ng Iklo. Ulala, against the light. We are against the light. So, tingnan natin guys. Try natin ang magiging output ng ating product ng ating video dahil medyo we are facing the light. Oh, ang ganda naman ng grass na yan. Ito yata yung wheat. I think this is the wheat. Yeah, I think. The wheat. Ang laki ng windmill guys. Sa malayo napakaliit pero ngayon parang nakatingala tayo sa langit. Ang laki niya talaga, ang taas ng windmill na yan. Do para-parehas naman yata ng laki. Lahat mula dito hanggang doon. Wow. Ang ganda ng mais. Guys, yan mga tanim na mais. Medyo gumanda sila sa ganda ng ulan lately, last week or 2 weeks ago, talagang maulan. I mean, hindi malalakas na ulan pero umuulan talaga. More than enough to water the farm. Kaya, tuwang-tuwa ang mga farmer pag may ulan. Meron naman silang sariling pa-water. Meron akong mga video ng makina na nag-water. So, siguro, kung maganda yung video natin na yun, isi-share ko. Hopefully. Ayan, ayan, tinuturo ni Kuya bagong ani na grasses. Ulala. Yeah, mga baka. Pati, very young cow, but fat. Kaya malaki. Ayan, mga mais. Dito rin mais. Ganda ng pagka-tanim. Straight na straight ang mga mais.